Don't me quote wrongly. I love men and women. But after marriage, women control men. They become mother-in-law for their own life partner. Instead of becoming life partner, they boss over men. And a man gets trapped between his mother and his life partner, whom you call wife. I don't use the word husband and wife. I call life partners. They are partners supposed to be. Surely, you must respect your life partner. That does not mean whatever she says you have to do. You must see before God what she is telling me. Is it right? Then I will obey her. Otherwise, I should have the courage to tell her, what you are telling me is not right. Let us go to a third person and let us decide what should be done. There are good women, saintly women, no doubt about it. But Herodias was wicked, so she brought down Herod Antipas to become a pauper. For us, the focus is not Herodias and Herod Antipas. The focus of today is John the Baptist. He is the only prophet who belonged both to the Old Testament and to the New Testament. He was chosen by God to prepare the way for his son Jesus. And he died before Jesus, a death